Guys, today we'll be attempting monstering cake pops. So you're gonna need your cake of choice. You're gonna need bags. You're gonna need sticks. And you're gonna need green for Mike Wazowski, lavender for Boo, and blue for Sullivan. Wash those hands, 20 seconds, soap and water. Hey guys, this is my little helper, and she's gonna be washing her hands so she can help out. Putting that soap, scrub them together, scrub them together. Is it hot? Oh.
No.
We'll be starting off with the vanilla cake. And then putting the water in. Then doing the oil. And then 3 eggs. Lastly, we're going to throw into the cake mix, like so. Lock it on, and we shall mix it. Now we're going to be starting with the chocolate cake, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what we're going to start on. She's going to be making this one. So we're going to be starting off with the water. Next is oil. Next, you will be pouring in the 3 eggs. Hey guys, we're gonna be baking a cake with you.
Yes. You.
Crumble the cake. We're gonna roll the balls. Now we'll be rolling the chocolate cylinders. Use the candy melt and stick the sticks into the cake pop. Now we're doing Mike Wazowski with a little bit of water. Just brush the bottom of it and put it. Hold it for a little bit. Hold it, hold it.